Traffic changes in and around the 3 miles Marcus Garvey Drive area are expected to cause additional headaches for motorists. The National Works Agency explains that the changes are linked to the overpass being constructed at the Portia Simpson Miller Square. TVJ's Kirk Wright has details.
The authorities have started to transport several large columns weighing over 150 tons, which will link the beams for the overpass at the Portia Simpson Miller Square. The work is on time and on target, but road users will have more delays starting Monday. That's because the National Works Agency, NWA, have made some adjustments to traffic flow to facilitate the transportation of the columns.
It means that persons who would be using the Portmore toll at the time when the girders are being transported, they may be delayed for 10 or 15 minutes while the girder makes its way across the toll road and onto Marcus Garvey Drive.
And for those using some off-roads to enter Marcus Garvey Drive, they too will have challenges.
So Little Bell Road, for example, has been closed where it intersects Marcus Garvey Drive, and so vehicular traffic will not be allowed onto Marcus Garvey Drive or onto Little Bell Road from the direction of Marcus Garvey Drive. We know that the movement of the girders will also impact traffic coming from or entering Chesterfield Drive. That's a new road that was implemented recently to bypass the works at 3 miles.
Additional inconvenience for businesses as well.
There are some business entities along this section of Marcus Garvey Drive, to include Sampars, Dr. Glass, and so on. Persons will not be able to access these complex or these businesses from the direction of, say, the Portmore toll or the port, but instead we will allow vehicular access to these areas from the direction of Spanish Town Road or Hagley Park Road, where they can use those sections.
The 3 miles Hagley Park Road improvement project is expected to be completed in the next 9 months. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.